Hello everyone, welcome to CATIA tutorial. In this lecture, I am going to explain what are the options are available in View menu in CATIA. These are the options are available in View menu. Most of the tools in this pull-down menu have two functions dealing with the visualization of the CATIA V5 document. Many of the tools can be accessed from the bottom toolbar, quick keys, and contextually that means right mouse click. Now let us brief discussing each and every tool in view menu. In this first one is toolbars. Toolbar Toolbars allows you to toggle additional toolbars on and off. If a particular tool gets closed, you can use this tool to turn it back on. ఈ ఆప్షన్ తో మనం ఏదైనా టూల్ బార్ హైడ్ అయినా లేకపోతే కనిపించకుండా ఈ ఆప్షన్ యూజ్ చేసి ఆన్ చేయొచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ స్టాండర్డ్ టూల్ బార్ హైడ్ అయిపోయింది, ఇక్కడ మనకు స్టాండర్డ్ టూల్ బార్ కనిపిస్తలేదు. ఆ టూల్ ని మనం ఈ వ్యూ ఆప్షన్ లో టూల్ బార్స్ లో స్టాండర్డ్ క్లిక్ చేయడం వల్ల మళ్ళీ ఆ స్టాండర్డ్ టూల్ బార్ ని సేమ్ పొజిషన్ లో పొజిషన్ చేయవచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ command list. This tool brings up the command list window that lists all the CATIA V5 commands. For example, now I'm selecting command list. For example, if you wanted to create a point and could not find the point tool, you could go to view and select command list and browse for the point. Browse point. Point. Select point and enter the appropriate values for X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z and click on OK. Next one is geometry. This is a toggle tool that places the geometry into hide or show. Next one is specification. This is a toggle tool that places the specification tree into hide or show. Notice that there is also a quick key for this. The shortcut key is F3. Next option is compass. This is a toggle tool that places the compass into hide or show. Next option is reset compass. This tool allows you to reset the compass back to its original location and orientation. Next option is tree expansion. This tool allows you to expand the specification tree automatically at specified levels or contract the specification tree. Selecting this option will bring up a window that is, for example, I'm selecting expand first level. It shows these items pad, hole 2, point 1. Now I am selecting collapse all. These options all are hide. Next option is specification overview. Shortcut keys shift plus F2. This tool allows you to zoom in or out quickly on the specification tree. Next one is geometry overview. This tool allows you to zoom in or out quickly on the geometry in the workspace. Selecting this tool brings up the overview on geometry window. See this figure. Notice that the part showing in the workspace is same as that what is shown in the resizable window. As you change the size or location of the resizable window, the geometry in the workspace changes accordingly. Next one is fit all in. This tool allows you to quickly zoom out so that all the geometry is viewable on the screen. This tool is also located on the bottom of the view toolbar. Next one is zoom area. This tool allows you to quickly zoom in on a particular area of geometry. Select the tool and then using the mouse select the first corner of a rectangle that encompasses the area you want to zoom in on. Drag the cursor to the second point of the rectangle and release the mouse button. The workspace window will update to the area you just defined. Next one is zoom in out. This tool allows you to quickly zoom out. This tool is also located on the bottom view toolbar. Next one is pan. This tool allows you to move the geometry around on the screen. It does not change the location relative to the origin, just your view of the workspace. This tool is also located on the bottom view toolbar. మౌస్ మిడిల్ బటన్ తో కూడా దీని ఈ ఆప్షన్ యూజ్ చేయవచ్చు. You can also use this option by using middle click of mouse button. Next one is rotate. This tool allows you to rotate the part. This tool is also located on the bottom view toolbar. Mouse middle button and left button ఈ టూ బటన్స్ సేమ్ టైమ్ లో ప్రెస్ చేయడం వల్ల మనం దీన్ని రొటేట్ చేయవచ్చు. మౌస్ మిడిల్ బటన్ అండ్ left button. Hold left button and press middle button of mouse. Next one is modify. This tool provides some additional ways to modify your views. Selecting the modify option brings up a window similar to this one, that is fly through, walk through, accelerate, deaccelerate, previous view, next view, look at, turn head, zoom in, zoom out, normal view. The first four options will be covered in later sessions. Previous view and next view allows you to step back and forth so the all the views still in memory. Next, the look at tool allows you to create a rectangle around the area you want to look at, similar to zoom area tool. The turn head tool allows you to pivot your view from the center of rotation. This tool is hard to control and it is easy to lose sight of your geometry. If you experience this, select the fit all in. The zoom in and zoom out tools are duplicates of the tools already discussed. The normal view tool allows you to select a planar surface, and CATIA V5 will rotate your view normal, that is perpendicular to the selected planar surface. Next option is named views. Selecting this tool will bring up a window similar to uh, selecting this tool will bring up a window. It shows this option front default views, that is front, back, left, right, top and bottom isometric. For example, I am selecting front view and click OK. It shows the front view of the object. I am creating one view. Go to named views, add and enter the name ABC. OK. To create your own custom view, zoom and orient the geometry the way you want to save the view. In the input window, type the name of your customized view, select apply button. Now, anytime you want to jump to this view, select view. మన ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ అదే వ్యూలో చూడాలనుకుంటే ఆ నేమ్డ్ వ్యూస్ వెళ్ళేసి మన ఒక యాడ్ అనే ఆప్షన్ క్లిక్ చేసి ఇక్కడ మనకు వ్యూ కి ఒక నేమ్ ఇచ్చి సేవ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఫ్యూచర్ లో మనకి ఎప్పుడైనా ఆ వ్యూ చూడాలనుకుంటే ఏ వ్యూ అయితే మనం సేవ్ చేసుకుంటామో ఆ వ్యూ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని చూడవచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ డిఫాల్ట్ టాప్ వ్యూ ఉందా, టాప్ వ్యూ నేను డైరెక్ట్ చూస్తున్నా. ఫ్యూచర్ లో నాకు ఇంతకుముందు సేవ్ చేసినవి చూడాలనుకుంటున్నా. ఆ వ్యూని మనం ఎలా చూడాలనుకుంటే నేమ్డ్ వ్యూస్ వెళ్ళేసి గో టు నేమ్డ్ వ్యూస్ అండ్ సెలెక్ట్ ఏబిసి. ఓకే, ఇలా డైరెక్ట్ గా మనకు ప్రీవియస్ వ్యూ అంటే ఏ వ్యూ అయితే కావాలని వ్యూ సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన వ్యూని ఈజీ చూడవచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ రెండర్ స్టైల్. Selecting the render style tool will bring up a window. The tools located in the first section of this window are duplicate of the tools found in the view toolbar. Selecting the customize view will bring up a window similar to the this particular tool allows you to mix and match different view properties, review the options, apply them to some geometry so you are comfortable with the different options. To apply your customized view, select the OK button. ఈ రెండో స్టైల్ లో మనకు డిఫరెంట్ వ్యూస్ ఉంటాయి, డిఫరెంట్ స్టైల్స్ అంటే షేడింగ్ విత్ ఎడ్జెస్, షేడింగ్ విత్ ఎడ్జెస్ వితౌట్ స్మూత్ ఎడ్జెస్, షేడింగ్ విత్ ఎడ్జెస్ అండ్ హిడెన్ ఎడ్జెస్, షేడింగ్ విత్ మెటీరియల్, వైర్ ఫ్రేమ్. ఆటోకేడ్ లో మనకి ఎలా అయితే ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయో అవే ఆప్షన్ ఇందులో ఉంటాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నాకు వైర్ ఫ్రేమ్ కావాలి, సో ఐఎమ్ సెలెక్టింగ్ వైర్ ఫ్రేమ్. ఇట్ షో ద వైర్ ఫ్రేమ్ మోడల్ వ్యూ రెండర్. సపోజ్ షేడింగ్ కావాలంటే షేడింగ్ విత్ ఎడ్జెస్ అంటే మనకి ఎడ్జెస్ అనే కొంచెం డార్క్ వచ్చేసాయి. రెండర్ స్టైల్, షేడింగ్, వ్యూ, రెండరింగ్. The geometry of the workspace can be represented using the perspective view or parallel view. Perspective view means the perspective view shows the geometry of the human eye would see it. The parallel view shows the depth of the geometry to length. Next one is navigation mode. Selecting the navigation mode will bring up a menu that is examine, walk, fly, viewpoint, snapping, multi-view customization. This option will be covered in detail in later sessions. Next one is lighting. This tool allows you to modify the light effect on the workspace. This tool will be covered in more detail in the DMU workbench lessons. Next one is depth effect. This tool allows you to modify and visualize the geometry at different thicknesses. This tool will be covered in more detail in the DMU workbench lessons. Next one is ground. This tool allows you to create and modify ground representation. This tool will be covered in more detail in the DMU workbench lessons. Next one is magnifier. This tool allows you to zoom into a specific area of the geometry. This tool will be covered in more detail in the DMU workbench lessons. Next option is hide or show. This tool is a duplicate of the hide or show tool in the view toolbar. Last option in view menu is full screen. This tool allows the workspace to take the entire area of the screen. All the tools and toolbars disappear. This option provides significantly more work area for your geometry. To bring back all the toolbars, make sure your cursor is over an open section of the workspace and select the right mouse button. This will bring up a window similar to the this will bring up a window that is full screen. Now click on this option full screen. All you have to do is select the checkbox and CATIA V5 will toggle the tools and toolbars back onto the screen. This is the brief discussion about View menu in standard Windows toolbar. In next coming lecture, I will going to explain what are the options are available in Insert menu, that is body in a set, geometrical set, ordered geometrical set, insert in new body, annotation, constraint, sketcher, axis system, sketch based features, dress up features, surface based features, transformation features, boolean operations, advanced dress up features, knowledge templates. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.